Привіт, хлопці та дівчата, hello boys and girls. Зараз я в унікальному місці, яким би хотів би поділитися. So I'm in a very unique place and I would like to share with you information about it.
Well, it's on FIORDLAND of New Zealand, let's call it that way. It's located on the South Island, southwest of the South Island, and what is fjords? Basically, it's like a gulf that goes deeply inside of the land and forms this kind of mountain ranges and kind of canyons, and it's amazing.
Ще раз покажу, якою буває Нова Зеландія. Вона буває схожа на Аляску чи Чилі, насправді. Такі фьорди в Новій Зеландії, або на Норвегію дуже схоже. So this is New Zealand fjords. Looks like Norway, looks like Alaska, looks like Chile. And I'm happy because it's a nice sunny day. І мені пощастило з сонячним днем.
This particular one, this waterfall, this place, they call MILFORD Sound. And this is example how windy it can be. I have to do the voice over, otherwise you won't be able to hear me. Anyway, it's beautiful, windy, New Zealand. As this is the last episode from the New Zealand's videos, I decided to include here all the beautiful sunsets that I experienced on the way. This particular one, I'm not sure where exactly it is, but it's somewhere between New Zealand and Australia. Also, we've experienced so many times that the thunderstorms and sometimes the weather wasn't very pleasant. But anyway, it's a weather that you cannot predict.
Ну от новозеландські фьорди, вони не хочеться порівнювати, але вони такої на інші.
And this is example how fjords looks like when there is no sun. And the best way to visit these places, it's by boat or helicopter or by cruise ship like I did. Well, better if you're traveling on a cruise ship or having your vacation, because I didn't have a lot of time. I was working on a cruise ship. That's why you have experience to see only the glimpse of everything that happens in the world. But to understand the nature and the way how it looks like, the way how it works, it's more than enough. Yeah, MILFORD Sound, New Zealand.
Покажу перед нами пілот, so this is the pilot boat. There's another ship coming here. This is the entrance to the MILFORD Sound. Це так званий вхід до MILFORD Sound. Один із найкрутіших новозеландських фьордів. Так він виглядає. So this is the entrance to the MILFORD Sound, one of the best fjords in New Zealand. It's actually amazing. New Zealand is a very special country. Kind of recommend you to visit. Нова Зеландія взагалі дуже крута країна. Дуже рекомендую відвідати її хоча б раз в житті. So behind me right there, you can see a piece of land. This is southern island of New Zealand. And right there, just in few kilometers, this is Northern Island. And behind these hills right here, there's a Wellington, which is capital of New Zealand. Отже, одразу за оцим ось пагорбом чи горою знаходиться столиця Нової Зеландії Велінгтон, і це північний острів. А ось це ось острів Південний. Ось видно він. А це вже між ними така от доволі невелика відстань. Ось вона. Буквально от така. So this is the distance in between the islands right there. So this is a very unique place. I just decided to share. Отже, дуже таке унікальне, специфічне місце на карті, яким я захотів з вами поділитися. І погода тут неймовірна. Ну, правда, тут літо, тому і погода така. So, and the weather is amazing. Well, this is summer though.
Well, that's the end of the video, where you can see the southern, the northern island, the sunsets, the fjords. Thanks for watching. Feel free to check out the other videos.